Here in this video, he wanted to ask you what is the product of solutions. What is the meaning of product of solution? You wanted to get solution 1 and solution 2 and get the product there, which means multiply by each other. So what you will do, you will solve the equation to get the product, right? Okay, how I can solve it? By factorization. Can I factorize and I didn't see 0? No, you should send -2 the other side with +2 to c equals 0. Till now it's okay? Okay. Then what? Is there a common factor or simplify? No, I can't. So what you will do, you will factorize. How I can? 2 brackets, x and x, right? 2, what times what give you 2? 1 times 2. And the sign here, positive, so same like middle, negative and negative. I want to get the solution, get the opposite sign, which is here, 1 and 2. Okay, what else? Here, I wanted to get 1 and 2, then you will multiply 1 times 2 to get 2. Okay, here, what is this? When this equation is written like this, form, what is this form? This form is complete the square, right? I have bracket all squared equals something, so it's called complete the square method. So I wanted to solve this equation by complete the square. How I can do it? Let x together and send the numbers the other side. So I will send the 49 the other side with -49. Then you wanted to get 19 minus 49, combine the like term, -30. I wanted to get the number that you should. Then what you will do here, you will think about how you solve by complete the square or factorize or square root or wherever. You should think about simplifying first. Yes, you can do it, divide by 2 all the terms of the equation to get here x squared minus 10x equals -15. Right? Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, you will get the answer. Then what you will do, you will take, or you wanted to complete the squares, the empty squares, you will get half coefficient of x. So half -10 is 5. 5 squared, half coefficient of x all squared. So 5 squared, 25. You will add 25 here and here. Do you remember how we can complete the square? Of course. You will make bracket all squared. Take the square root of the first, x squared is x. Square root of the second, square root of 25 is 5. And the middle sign is negative. So here you get -15 plus 25 positive 10. Here you get this form, which is the given form that he asked about. He want a value of q, you will write 10. And that's all. Okay, what about this factorization? Here he gives you something like this, and he wanted to get what? He wanted to get the factorized form or factors form. So I see here he took a common factor. So I have here x cubed, x power 5. Which one you will use? The least one, which is x. So I will take x as a common factor. To get the rest, what you will do? You will divide by the common factor, small x here. X with x power 5 will get 4x power 4. X with x cubed will get 16x squared y squared. X with x to get 16y power 4. Okay, look at the choices here. As I told you before in this factors things, choices, look at the answer. You find what? You found from this bracket you wanted to get a square, complete the square. So what you will do, you will take the square root of the first, the square root of the third, and take the middle sign. A square root of 4 x power 4 is 2x squared. A square root of 16y power 4 is 4y squared, and put the middle sign, which is negative. What about here? You have ba squared plus 2a minus 3. What you will what does he ask for? He wanted the value of b. What you will do? He wanted b when you have a single solution. What is meaning the single solution? one solution. So b squared minus 4ac equals 0. B squared minus 4ac equals 0 to get single solution. What is b? So I wanted to write the answers here. A is b, b is 2, c is -3. Then you are gonna to substitute here. B squared is 2 squared minus 4a is b, c is -3. You will get here 4 times -3, -12 times negative, +12b equals 0. Send 4 the other side with -4, and 12 divide to get b equal -3rd, and that's all. What about here, the transformation? Look over here. If you have this, it's called x squared, and if you have down, it's called -x squared, right? As here goes up and here goes down, so it's negative. What about if you remove it? You have something here and another one here. What is the difference? Okay, let's see. Here, -1, -2, -3. And here, 1, 2. Okay, what you will do here, you wanted this, the pink one. Here, what's happened here? Here's something called transformation. I go 2 units right and 3 units down, right? Do you remember how we do the transformation from the quarter one? How I can do it? By put the right or left inside the bracket. So x minus 2 all squared. Put right or left with the opposite sign. Here 2 put with -2. What about up or down? Alone in the last. So here +3. Again, how I can do it from here. Let's see this question. What is the transformation here? 2 units right. How I can do it? Put right, so +2. You will put here -2 all squared. Do you have here any transformation up or down? No. So let it like it. What about here? What is the transformation here? Here 2 units left. So I should put it in the bracket. So instead of -2 here, you put x plus 2 inside the bracket all squared. Okay? What about here? Here I have 2 transformation. 1 left at -1 and 1 down at -1. How I can write it? Let's see together. As I told you before, the right or left inside the bracket with opposite. So here -1 will get x plus 1 all squared. And up and down, what is it? So here -1. And the graph up and down, so you put negative outside. What about here? I have 2 transformation. 1 right and 2 up. Okay, how I can do it? 1 right, as here +1, you put with the opposite sign x minus 1 all squared. And up 2 units, you will put 2 like it. So here +2. And that's all. It's okay. I hope everything is clear now. I will do this, the last one. I have 2 left, so here -2, and 1 down, -1. Left or right between brackets, so x here -2 will also with opposite +2 all squared and -1 like it. Here a positive, and that's all. Thank you. I hope everything is clear.